Squarespace and Jimdo, two giants in website building, but only one can take the crown. Which one really delivers? On one side, the stylish and feature-packed Squarespace. On the other, the versatile and beginner-friendly Jimdo. We're testing them on the things that count. Ease of use, customization, pricing, design templates, and more. Forget the fancy marketing talk, we're here for the real answers. Each aspect gets scored, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner. Trust us, the verdict may surprise you. Let's get into it. Jimdo. Let's map out what matters most in the showdown. We've got price, overall design and templates, how easy they are to use, e-commerce powers, support and help, and, oh, big one, support for multiple languages, like if you want your site to reach the world. That's 6 categories, and trust me, some of these are way closer than you'd think. Alright, let's talk money first, because, honestly, that's where a lot of decisions get real. Jimdo totally wins the affordability game here with a legit free plan, and their paid options start off way cheaper. Squarespace, on the other hand, it'll give you a free trial, yeah, but as soon as that's over, it's paid city. It's also a bit pricier compared to others. No free plan. But you do get hosting and SSL included, so that's something. Still, if your main thing is saving bucks and you're cool with more basic features, Jimdo's got the edge. Now let's get into the fun part, design. This is where, honestly, Squarespace kind of flexes. Their templates, award-winning. They just look modern and honestly make almost anyone's site look next level, especially if you're aiming for that professional vibe. Sure, there's a learning curve if you want to get crafty, but their customizations run deep. Meanwhile, Jimdo's a lot simpler. You get easy templates and a nice drag-and-drop setup, but you're not going to be tweaking every detail. Simple, fast, but yeah, way fewer options. So if you care about style, this is basically Squarespace's home turf. Alright now, when it comes to just getting set up and started, Jimdo is honestly kind of genius. Their AI builder, it's super beginner friendly, it kind of walks you through everything. Honestly, you could probably get a site published before your coffee goes cold. Squarespace isn't hard and the onboarding's pretty smooth, but all those extra features, sometimes you gotta poke around to figure things out. So yeah, if you're brand new, Jimdo's the one here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first version of Squarespace was actually coded in a university dorm room all the way back in 2003? Imagine rolling out an entire website builder between classes. Wild. Ecommerce time. This is where things flip again. Squarespace goes in hard here with a bunch of built-in store features. You can sell physical or digital goods, and your site's gonna look pro. Only downside? No app store for extra add-ons if you want to get fancy. Jimdo absolutely can handle a little shop, but honestly, it's really for simple stuff. Small catalogs, simple product setup. Payment and shipping choices are kinda bare bones too. So if selling things is a big deal for you, Squarespace is hands down stronger. Okay, what if you get stuck? With support, Squarespace gives you a couple ways to reach them. Live chat, email, a mountain of tutorials, there's a whole community behind it. No phone support, which, could be better, but Jimdo, you get email support, and their help center is clear, but there's no live chat, and the guides are, well, basically just the basics. So if having someone to reach out to makes you feel safer, Squarespace is the clear pick. Now here's a curveball. What about making your site work for different countries, different languages? Jimdo, I gotta say, impresses here. They bake multi-language into the platform, and you can even auto-translate using their AI Huge if you want to go global fast. On Squarespace, you can make a multi-language site, sure, but it's more like, here's some workarounds, go figure it out. Not as seamless at all. So internationalization, Jimdo's got it by a mile. Now, if you look at all the categories lumped together, you'll see it's pretty close, but with some definite strong points for each. Like, Jimdo jumps ahead on price, ease, and international stuff, while Squarespace dominates design, stores, and support. So, what's my honest take after all that? If you want a site that really looks stunning, and you need those professional features you want to sell things or grow your brand, Squarespace is totally worth the higher price. But if you just want to get online fast, don't want to overthink stuff, or maybe you're on a tight budget, Jimdo is such a hassle-free option. Found this builder battle helpful? If you want more honest breakdowns like this, or the best deals before you commit, make sure to follow along. Plenty more web wisdom coming your